In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Todaytix account. We'll walk through the simple process from opening the website to accessing your bookings with clear tips to help you avoid common hiccups along the way. Begin by opening your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, type todaytix.com and press enter. You'll land on the Todaytix homepage. To get to the login page, look for the sign in option. This is typically at the top right on desktop or inside the menu on mobile. Click or tap Sign In to open the login form. On the login screen, you'll see fields for your email and your password. Carefully enter the email address you used when you created your Todaytix account. Take a moment to double check for typos, especially extra spaces before or after your email. Then type your password. Passwords are case sensitive, so make sure caps lock isn't on by accident. If you use a password manager, let it autofill to reduce errors. Avoid entering personal examples of emails or passwords here. Keep your details private and secure. Before you proceed, a quick tip. If you haven't logged in for a while and you're unsure about your password, look for the Forgot Password link on this page. It will guide you through resetting your password securely via email. This doesn't add extra steps to the process, but it's a helpful backup if you need it. Once your email and password are in place, click the Sign In button. You may see a brief loading indicator. If your credentials are correct, you'll be taken back to the site. Now logged in, you can confirm you're signed in by looking for your account icon or name where the sign in button used to be. Now that you're in, you can manage your bookings with ease. Navigate to your account area to view upcoming shows, check your ticket details, and review past purchases. This is also where you can update basic account preferences and keep track of any special offers tied to your profile. If the login doesn't work on the first try, don't worry. Re-enter your email and password slowly, making sure there are no mistakes. Try refreshing the page and ensure you have a stable internet connection. If you still can't get in, use the password reset option, then return to the sign-in page with your new credentials. That's it. Open Todaytix, go to the login page, enter your email and password, click sign in, and you're ready to manage your bookings. Thanks for watching and enjoy your next show.